Okay, so we're gonna go one step on the left and then one step on the right. And don't do this. All right, you go one step on the left and one step on the right. Okay, everyone do that? Okay, perfect. All right, now we'll do it. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and okay, great. Ye kya hai? Okay, great. So you can just do that. All right. And then we'll all go on your right. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Thoda loudly, aisa baaju wale ko thoda side. And then on this side as well. All right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and then 4 count on this side. Okay, and then we'll go shoot in the air. Yeah. And then on this side. All right, and we'll do this and do that. And then we'll all clap together, okay? Abhi nahi. Tabhi. Okay, but we'll do it in a musical fashion. Okay? So now, very easy. Choreography is okay. You go on the left first. So you go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and roll, 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 and roll, 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 and shoot, 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 and and Abhi nahi. Okay? All right. Kind of ready? Yeah. Now the real challenge comes in, okay? Can you play the track, please? So can you play the track? Feel it? All right? Feel the tempo? Kind of getting it? Yeah? Yes? No? All right, but there is a nice, interesting drop. Tap, tap. In the place. Yeah, yeah. Kya baat? Piche. Everybody get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. One second. ये क्या था? I just saw someone just eat some एक साथ. I wanted to be fast but accurate as well, okay? So left and right and left and right, all right? How many of you don't like dancing? You have no option. All right, okay? Final round. Are we all ready? Yes. No mistakes, huh? And yes. Okay, track from the beginning. Apna DJ, Aram. Playing. Wait. Ready, sir? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Ready, all right? आया नहीं आ रहा है. Almost there. Don't forget. Ready, guys? Like I don't care, baby, by the way. Like a room without a roof. Clap along. Yeah, that's it all over. Oh! Amazing, amazing. How many of you are entrepreneurs in the room? Raise your hand. Entrepreneurs in the room, please. Raise your hand. Entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir, we have a chair there. You want a chair? All right. Sir, go chair de dijiye. Okay. And how many students in the room? Students. Okay. Still learning. Huh? I like that. Okay. And working professionals. How many? Nice mix. We have a great bhelpuri of professionals here. Okay. So, but the most important skill in all our lives is to sell well. Right? But the approach that we have, the attitude that we have towards selling plays a crucial role. Attitude can be seen on our Excel sheets. The numbers that you see is basically a sum of your approach towards sales, all right? You tell the world that this is what we do, this is how we exist, and this is the value that we can add. So you want to come this side? I think your group is there. Come, no problem. All right. So there are two crucial aspects. One is the way you pitch. Second, the way you negotiate your deals, all right? So both these aspects play such a crucial role that if you miss out, great chances that you will never score deals, or the ones that you will score might not be profitable or of value for you. All right? English is okay or English Hindi? आपको कैसा लगेगा? English. Thank you so much. Both is okay. English. Oh yes. Oh okay. आप ही करो इसको. Next.
हो रहा है. All right. So, how many of you have sold a product before? Raise your hand. How many of you have never sold a product before? Raise your hand. All right. Now, we'll start with an activity. We want to see a before and after. That's how I evaluate my workshop, to see if you've actually learned something or not. So I want everyone to prepare a team. Create a team of 2 individuals in each team. So Jodi team. So everyone, please get up and create a team. Jodi. If you don't have anyone around, find someone. Team, if you don't have anyone around. Okay, perfect. Great. Now, people on the right. This, mera right. On this side is your hand. Okay. Now, as soon as I say start, I want you to pitch your product, your service, or whatever comes to your mind to the person in front of you. All right? And Hindi, English, whatever language you like, no problem. All right? So, jo is taraf hai, Tarun, crowd mein ja, yahan pe kya kar raha hai? Next वाला यही है ना? ओके, मोर टाइम हाथ उठाइए, मोर टाइम वाले हाथ उठाइए. ओके, नेक्स्ट टीम में मोर टाइम वाले हाथ उठाइए. टीम 1, टीम 2 में सिमिलर. बाकी लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं. आई कैन सी इट इन योर आईज, क्योंकि वो सामने खड़ा आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. ओके, नाउ when you were explaining, did you feel that push? Oh my God, this is like, जल्दी सुन मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. Did you feel that urge? Yes and no, yes and no, yes, yeah, no. Okay, perfect. All right, everyone, please be seated. All right. So when we connect, we connect. When we learn, we'll learn. All right. We have enough time to talk. बाद में करेंगे एकदम structured तरीके से. So everyone, if you're in the room, when we're learning. So make notes. All right. Easy to learn. My name is Amrut. You've already seen about myself. These are the brands that I've had the opportunity of working with. These are some amazing people that have featured my work. That's it about myself. And have you heard about these guys? What have you heard about them? Yeah, बुरा मत देखो, सुनो and बोलो. ये सेशन में सब कुछ करने का. सब कुछ सुनो. With an open mind. Ask all kinds of questions. सही गलत कुछ नहीं है, छोटा मोटा कुछ नहीं है. Ask all kinds of questions. All right? And watch and learn. Watch and learn. Don't filter. Don't judge. All right? Cool. Are we on the same page? Yes. Brilliant. Okay. Do you know who this person is? हाँ? ये नीमो नहीं है वो. नीमो नहीं. और कौन है? गोल्डफिश. अरे एक्चुअली करेक्ट आंसर. एनीवन एल्स? मेरे को किसी ने बोला था ये दबंग मछली है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट मींस. ऑलराइट, सो एवरीवन, दिस इज द एनिमल. करंटली वी आर कंपीटिंग a goldfish when it comes to our average attention span before a human being thinks about something else and switches to something else. So when you're actually making your pitch, you get about 8 seconds, and this gentleman here can focus about 9 seconds. अपने से थोड़ा ज़्यादा attention span है, because we believe in multitasking, tasking so many things. सामने इंसान है और हम लोग कहीं और रहते हैं. So we are actually competing with this. Now, if you have to compete with someone so cute, you have to be really, really skilled. In the sense, you have to catch attention, you have to make sense, you have to add value. Only then your customer, your target audience will actually begin to listen to your conversation. Believe me, a lot of them will be in the room, looking at you, nodding their head, what do dimag kahin aur hi hai. But that doesn't lead to invoices. I believe in invoices. If you believe in invoices, say yes. Yes. Brilliant. Kya baat hai? Room full of salespeople. Brilliant. Now, so the average happens to be about 8 seconds. We are at 8 seconds. And the attention span happens to be about 9 seconds. So this is what we are competing. Now, why is it really happening with us? It's simply because it's not your mistake, it's not your mistake, it's not your mistake. All right? It is simply because no one has actually told us कि अभी वो समय हो गया है कि इसको हम थोड़ा change करें. Times have changed, technology has changed, attention span has changed, and you know what? You have been actually trained for short attention span through your beautiful phone. You might agree, disagree, it doesn't really matter. But that's what has happened to you. The reason you scroll so much and you take decision within like 3 seconds कि ये reel मेरे काम का है कि नहीं, has become such a great muscle memory that people are actually acting the same way in boardrooms as well, including top officials. I get the opportunity of talking to a lot of really powerful people, and sometimes even they have challenges pertaining to attention. All right? So what was the old school method? Okay, everyone read it along with me. The idea of a pitch was to present, to impress and convince the audience to, hey, please मेरा product खरीदना. इतना मस्त है देख मेरा product. छठा इंसान है ये जो रूम में आके सेम चीज बोल रहा है. This was the old way. We thought if we could communicate this way and if we continue doing this, it's going to work for us. Believe me, it's not working so well unless and until the person really is looking forward for that service or that product. कि मुझे ज़रूरत है और luckily तो मुझे मिल गया. Yes, that is the only case that is working. But believe me, that is rare. तो जो पुराना तरीका था, I would want to impress, so cool, my presentation is so nice. मेरा PPT में कितना font है देख. So colorful. It is not working anyway. Also, रटा presentations not working anymore. क्योंकि वो सुन के same. It's exactly like that बेचारा MR जो 6 घंटा वेट करके डॉक्टर के पास जाता है और जाते ही वो पर्ची पलटने लगता है सीधा. Have you ever seen that happening? डॉक्टर सुन भी नहीं रहा है. It's like to visit मार पलटते रहे. डॉक्टर को पता भी नहीं है. I have an uncle के साथ में वहाँ पर मिलने गया था उनको, बैठा उसी रूम में. And it's like, हाँ आई बैठे बेचारा 3 घंटे से बाहर खड़ा है. वो आया and as soon as he entered the room, just kept on flipping pages. I said, great, I'll let you know. Zero impact. Why? Because the conversation had no meaning. It is time that we actually start having meaningful conversation as entrepreneurs, as salespeople. And if you don't do that, you're going to have a difficult time because you have really less attention in today's date. If you can't work on the attention span well, if you can't encash it, all the best with sales. And अगर गलती से आपका product complex है और multi-layered है और multiple business lines है, तो double all the best आपके लिए. क्योंकि वो आपको नहीं देने वाला शायद आधा घंटा सुनने के लिए. And imagine you have to earn your 8 seconds each time you do this. It is so difficult. Would you agree? Yes. So what do we do in this case? If the old method is not working, then the new approach is what I would suggest. So everyone will this time read word to word together. So what does it say? Educating. थक गए हम लोग सब लोग, कितना पढ़ना पड़ा. It is different. This is very different. What is different in this? Ma'am, can you tell me what's different on this definition? अलग क्या है इसमें?
Actually, by using simple words, we can educate the person standing in front of us. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Simple words.
Simple words.
Okay. Sir.
With the family.
What is so different? Familiar? Language.
The second approach, we are trying to understand the customer's problem and give a solution to that problem and not our product, which by default could be a solution to his problem, but we are not selling our product. We are just giving a solution to his problem.
I'll come back to you. Okay. Now, solution to? अभी problem बताएगा ही नहीं तो क्या करोगे? A lot of them are so shy intentionally क्योंकि ये महंगा है, इसके सामने मुंह खोलूंगा कुछ फिर अच्छा दे देगा. But क्या करूं क्या फिर in that case? So that means we prepare ourselves in a way that we create more avenue and opportunity for us, for the other person to speak up, even if they have some other preference. How many of you have actually captured a client that was someone else's client, लेकिन अब उनके साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं? How many of you have captured a client like that? So that means that switch happens. Good 80% of the room has tried and done it. So, but the approach was different. So let's look at these words, okay? And instead of taking pictures, write it down somewhere. You'll have better memory recall, all right? So first word that I have intentionally chosen is educating the audience. Customer को सब कुछ नहीं मालूम है. उसके पास need है. लेकिन अगर उसको शायद पता होता कि आप ये solve अच्छे से कर पाते, शायद वो आपसे लेता. So whenever you now present a sales pitch, if you're not educating them to make a better decision without being, please, mere se khareed, you're doing a good job. So education is what people are looking at. Do I feel better after talking to you? If the answer is yes, good chances I will give you a higher probability. शायद अभी नहीं खरीदूं, but I will at least have you on my list. I always tell my clients, are you the first person that they will remember when the need arises? If the answer is no, बहुत काम बचा है. क्योंकि सेकंड वाले को चांस कभी कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. पहला वाला कोटेशन बेच के पीओ लेके चला जाता है. Have you seen it? Brilliant. So educating the audience. All right. Now education can happen in various forms and fashion. मिलके भी कर सकते हो, सोशल मीडिया पे भी कर सकते हो, रेगुलर न्यूज़लेटर से भी कर सकते हो, व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस से भी कर सकते हो. Education has to be multi-angle. You can't have just जब मिलोगे तभी बात करेंगे. All right. So don't take that approach. All right. Got it till here? Brilliant. Next one. Demonstrating and offering solution. मेरा solution तो है, but वो दिखता कैसे है? Like the reason I did this first session where you interacted with each other, and then we're going to do another session where we'll see a slight difference in the way you have pitch, is because I am demonstrating the way my system works. All right? And if you can't, by the way, what if your system is so elaborate and large that it's impossible to drag it into a room? Videograph it. Demonstrate it. They need to see how it works. Even if it's a flyer, the flyer has to make sense. There's a reason you have put images and picture and words on that particular flyer. It has to make sense. People have to remember that. Then, simple words is super important, as you correctly mentioned. Simple words means that the words that they understand. Now, simple words are different for an exec, for a manager, for a senior manager, for a GM, for a CEO. Would you agree? But ये simple words उनके लिए relevant है कैसा? This comes out of experience. You will have to figure that out. Like as soon as you meet someone, top official, you have 30 seconds to make sense. Yeah, you have 10 seconds to make sense. नहीं तो the entire meeting, the person is already thinking, oh my God, मेरे को ना बोल देना चाहिए था इस meeting के लिए. It's adding no value. All right, do you agree? Brilliant. So simple words, relevant context. इसमें मेरा क्या है? ये सब जो आप बात कर रहे हो, इसमें मेरा क्या है? Generally, when you take the typical approach, the old approach, you think about yourself, your product, your service. Suddenly, you switch from me to us. Ki how do we solve this problem together? All right? And then, while persuading them to avail measurable benefits and unbelievable value. Measurable benefits. अगर मैं 100 रुपए डाला तो इसके लिए कितना निकलेगा? अगर मैं उसको estimate नहीं दे पाऊँ तो वो शायद decision नहीं लेगा. But value always has to be higher. 100 रुपया दो तो कम से कम 110 तो return देना ही है. Now, value has become the core player. Value-based selling. Okay, when products are identical, दोनों same price का है, दिखता भी same है, relationship and value plays a crucial role, and also social acceptance. क्योंकि सब लोग खरीद रहे हैं तो possibly I will be keen. ये New Balance का जूता, for example, right? ये same है, almost Skechers जैसा ही feel होता है. But there is so much of why people are so keen that you would want to go and buy a 9060. That is how they are creating that vibe and agreement. They're selling it indirectly through people as well. All right, so new approach, samjha? Yes? Any thoughts or questions about the new approach? All right, moving on to the next one. So now, if you have implemented the new approach, how would your life change? How would it look like? So typically, you will switch from, "Main kitna amazing hai," how amazing I am if you're an entrepreneur. Or if you're representing a brand, how amazing is my brand? The biggest lie on the planet is, sir, हमारे ऐसा कोई product बनाता ही नहीं. ऐसा कैसा बिंदास झूठ बोल सकते हैं? Audacity. वो बोला तेरे पहले जो आके गया वो आधे में बेच रहा है, अच्छा बना रहा है. But मैं तेरे को बोलूँगा नहीं. All right? So you are amazing. Because is it of value for them? नहीं. उसका बात कर ही नहीं रहे. Secondly, you invented the wheel. सर हमने तो इस आप जो मार्केट में फीचर्स देख रहे हो, आई इन्वेंट हम लोगों ने तो किया है सर. एंड वी ऑल नो इफ इट इज रेप्लिकेबल, पीपल विल रेप्लिकेट इट एंड पॉसिबली डू अ बेटर जॉब देन यू. वुड यू अग्री? And if they have done that already, you can't claim I invented the wheel because it's irrelevant in today's date, all right? So if you have the tendency, if you have the muscle memory of stating that how amazing your brand is, we are the best one, we invented the wheel, stop doing it. It adds no value. You're wasting the other person's time. The conversation is about them. That's how a sales pitch should look like. Now, you're doing something that the world has never seen or never heard before. First time ever. Only for 1 week. एक हफ्ते के बाद कंपटीशन ही बोल रहा है फर्स्ट टाइम एवर. Now the whole world knows it has happened 6 times already. Earlier this used to work very well because it used to get attention. Now because of social media and we are flooding people with information, we all know the best is everybody now. Almost everybody in that case, all right? And then, if you say that you're best in the business and you're the best in the market, that's the biggest lie. How do you quantify being best in the business? And by the way, ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. Over the period of time, accidentally you've learned a lot of sales skills, which is actually considered great, but no one told you it's not working. Stop doing it. So it's very important to stop doing this. You're best in business, let your product or service tell that to the audience already. The product will do it. Yeah, when you get into an X3 BMW, the latest one, don't you think you'll feel great? The product will speak for itself. Do you agree? वो कर रहा है product, वो service वैसे करेगा. You feel safe in their hands. All right? So that's what we would want to focus on. So if you have to move from here to here, this is how things will change. We'll have to move towards education. You'll have to make them confident towards understanding that the decision that they're making is ideal and is useful for them. Then you have to, of course, you have to be knowledgeable, but they should feel knowledgeable as well. कि ये आया तो था, but अच्छा लगा इसे interact करके. So as I mentioned earlier, are you the first person they will remember when the necessity arises? All right? It's knowledgeable. Then building faith that will help them solve real problems. Now, building faith is a long-term task. It has a lot of aspects to it. Regular conversation, being available when the person wants, even if there is no purchase order at the end of the conversation. Yeah? Not being purely transactional. Being there if things go wrong. A lot of us as sales representatives forget the client's problems as soon as we get the invoice printed. I had a recent experience for one of the service providers. We were working with the sales guy for 3 months. मैंने उसको पेमेंट कर दिया, उसने हैंड ओवर किया, बंदे ने फोन उठाना बंद कर दिया. अब मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो and I will switch to someone else who will actually take care of us. बंदा फोन ही नहीं उठा रहा है. And very really known brand, big brand. All right? And I can see the person is available but doesn't answer call. As a sales representative. So building faith is a long-term game. Okay? It's a sailboat kind of thing. It's not a speedboat thing. All right? It takes time and it has to be consistent. Now, also, whenever you push your audience to pull the trigger quickly, कि सर कल खरीदते हैं क्या? ये हफ्ता उसको जब खरीदना है वो खरीदेगा. You can suggest, but if you push, you're creating resistance. If I ask you to do something that you don't want to do, you will not do it, even though you want to. मजबूरी है तो भी शायद करोगे, but you would never want to push them to pull the trigger. I know you have targets. So pipeline भी उतना बढ़ाना पड़ेगा ना. अगर पाइपलाइन में लीड्स ही नहीं है तो फिर वो स्ट्रेस आएगा कि प्लीज खरीद लो बिकॉज मैं किसके पास जाऊं. सो इफ यू फील दैट यूर इन कॉन्स्टेंट स्ट्रेस दैट यू वांट योर कस्टमर्स टू पुल द ट्रिगर, possibly your funnel is not doing well. Possibly the targeting is a miss. Possibly the ad campaigns that you're running is not targeted well. You haven't optimized it well. Possibly you're on the wrong platform running your ad campaigns. Or your network, if you're working in a CP network kind of setup, possibly the CPs don't like you much. So you have to really go back and see why don't I have enough leads that I don't have to worry and push people to purchase from me. And if you find yourself in that situation, if you feel stress regularly, look at the way you're generating leads. All right? Good till here? Yes. Brilliant. All right. And can show a clear path of success. Now, how does a clear path of success look like? Typically, we always talk about the outcome. If you associate with us, this is how your life will look like. But how will you reach there? What will be the path towards the outcome? Always talk about the process and then the outcome. Because as soon as the process starts and then the customer is surprised, a lot of times even though it is not your mistake, they will feel offended and disconnected कि ये मुझे पहले बताया क्यों नहीं, जबकि आपको पढ़ना था वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, मेरी गलती नहीं है, but still I wanted you to take that ownership and connect with me and tell me this is how the process is going to look like. And by the way, if you adapt this method, it will also help you during negotiations. Whenever you're negotiating a deal, if you talk about the process rather than just the outcome, it is always helpful because you can then upsell, cross-sell, because the conversation then opens broader. When you talk about the process, the person might feel you're valuable in other aspects of business as well and might give you opportunity. All right? Good till here? Brilliant. So, everyone has this very interesting monkey in their head. ये मेरा favorite monkey है. All your customers, clients, including yourself in the room. Okay? It will take me about 30 seconds to convert this entire session into a very boring pakao session. Or else I can keep on hooking your interest and move to the next slide and next activity of interest for you. Okay? So we have this monkey. Okay? This monkey wants a lot of attention. It wants you to actually entertain it with something of value for itself. This monkey sits on an attention chair. As soon as something of value isn't spoken to itself, it will just get off the chair and start bouncing around. That's when your customer actually gets distracted. So a lot of times when you're actually telling them about terms and conditions, the monkey is just around. It's just not there. And that's the attention monkey, the focus that you want from them. How many of you do 20-minute meetings? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. 20 minutes is your average, 20 minutes. Okay, half an hour meetings? Raise your hand. 1 hour meetings? 1 hour plus wala meetings? Okay, how many of you? And the remaining no meetings? Under 20, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes में वो decision ले रहा है हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. 10-15 minutes. जितना time कम उतना ज़्यादा pressure. जितना time ज़्यादा उतना pressure double. So if you have a lot of time, then you better make a lot of sense. If you have less time, then you have limited number of words that should come out of your mouth. And if it is not planned and structured, we'll talk about that right after this slide, I think. If you aren't structured, then it's going to be all haywire. All right, it's like I come into this platform without going through my own material. Because I do a variety of sessions, I don't know what's coming next. So मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी अगला क्या है? Oh, ऐसा करें. And then I'm like, oh, ये concept क्या है? Oh, ऐसा. Doesn't work, all right? We will be disconnected. So I don't want that. So always, if your duration is less than 10 minutes, whatever comes out of your mouth, remember 80% has to be informing, 20% conversations. या फिर 50% informing, 50% conversation. उसको बोलने का मौका नहीं दोगे तो 10 मिनट पूरा आप बोल के रह जाओगे and then the person will have nothing to add value to. Okay, great. Moving on. So attention monkey. So now we'll talk about a framework. Everyone, whenever you do a pitch, a sales pitch, I want you to start implementing this specific framework. All right, I'll open the entire framework for you. Now, this 3P framework is based on attention and energy. All right. We have been using this for a lot of clients. One of my close friends, his name is Prashant, and he calls me once a year and he tells me, ek favor chahiye, and I can't say no to that favor. And every time he will try to help an entrepreneur. So recently we helped a guy named Amod. He was struggling for almost a year to score an investment. And Amod recently got a 30 lakh investment using the same framework. And I was so happy that it worked for him. So we sat with Amod and I asked Amod, why don't you go ahead and pitch your product? Amod had like about 20 to 25 slides, took good 30 minutes to explain what's happening. Whereas the product was very simple, service was pretty simple. But just that he did not have a structure in place, a lot of investors that he was going to couldn't actually comprehend कि इसको चाहिए क्या, ये बेचना क्या चाह रहा है, प्रोडक्ट समझ में आ रहा है, बट बंदा कैसा है, बिकॉज क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स नहीं था, स्ट्रक्चर नहीं था, बट वो आ रहा है बेचारा बोल के चला जा रहा है. We should not be doing that. We should not be doing impromptu gigs in front of our clients. It might sound cool to you, but it isn't. You might end up wasting your own time and their time as well, and we can see it in your eyes when you're doing impromptu stuff. Your body language will change, your tonality will change, your rate of speech will change. The way you flow through your entire presentation will change. We can see that you're not prepared. So from now, we're going to implement this simple 3-step framework. All right? Are we ready to learn this one? Yes. Brilliant. So the first one is pitch opening. So whenever you open a pitch, the first line that comes out of your mouth has to be interesting. Now, these are the options that you can use. You can surprise the audience by saying something interesting. Like if I have to revamp Amod's story, I would say from zero investment for almost a year to 30 lakhs in one conversation. Now your brain is like, kaise kiya? Automatically, yeah? So we are implementing the structure as I give you an example, all right? So kaise kiya? Now that is interesting. Kaise kiya? How did you achieve this? I'm keen to know. That's exactly what we are trying to achieve, all right? Another example. So we recently scored a deal where the client had 1/4 the budget, okay? So within 30 seconds, so one call and 4x revenue. The question is like, really? Kaise kiya? Now the attitude of the customer would be different here. Ki 4x kaise kar liya tumne? How did you achieve it? So the first statement has to be surprising and interesting to the other person. Now you please don't say it in the way as if you're presenting it to someone. You know what, sir? We invested 30 minutes with one client and we got 4x revenue for them. Like, really? How? Like you would talk to a friend, a good friend, all right? Not the actual friend jisko phone karke time pass karte hain, wo nahi. A good friend, all right? It has to be comfortable. If you start wearing a performer's hat. There are two kinds of hat any presenter wears or any salesperson. A performer's hat है और एक presenter's hat है. A performer is trying to impress. A performer is trying to put up a show. As soon as you put a performer's hat, you will see yourself getting pressurized. You will see anxiety coming up. You will see nervousness coming up. You see sweaty palms. As soon as you put a presenter's hat, suddenly anxiety goes away. Now you are in a conversation. Suddenly the conversation mode starts and the other person also feels comfortable. All right? So always wear the presenter's hat and never the performer's hat. I can switch. All right, guys, so now I'm going to teach you something about sales, all right? And this is structure that I want you to learn. I switched from being a presenter to a performer suddenly. You're trying to express, all right? It can be revenue, it can be cost saving, it can be growth, something that you can anchor onto because the remaining pitch will be based on that opening line, all right? Got it till here? Yeah. Brilliant. So now, there are 4 other options. You can share an unknown fact, something that has happened and they would ideally not know. Okay? And if they know, you will know that they know. And if they know and they address it, it's a great. Oh, you know it already. Brilliant. So don't be surprised if they know that already. All right? That's another way of starting your pitch. Emotional and positive triggering. So Amod's story can also be given in a positive fashion. This guy in college, started his business in college, relied on his parents' savings to start his business, lost all the money, now comes back with a 30 lakh investment. I can convert that to an emotional angle also. Suddenly it is from transactional, it is emotional. There is an aspect of story to it, all right? That's the another option that you have. Then attention grabbing line has to be something that I would suggest in a forum like this, or if there are multiple people in the room. Now attention grabbing line can be an achievement that you have done as an organization. Something that is unique to you, something that no one else has done. You can use that. And the final suggestion is that you speak less and say more, in the sense you choose words specifically. Be very aware of what you're going to speak. Instead of just blabbering it all out, be very specific and have a structured delivery, all right? So that is just the opening line. It's just one line. But you see this, can you see this small figure, stick figure? That's the beginning of your pitch. Now, if your opening line isn't strong, imagine these mountains are energy mountains. If the opening line is not strong, you will not get enough energy to cross this mountain. This mountain is also the barrier that the customer has in their mind. If the barrier doesn't open, they won't listen to you. So you have to make it count. If you don't do this well, the remaining is not going to happen. It's just going to be business as usual, and they'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, बहुत लोग ये करके जा रहे हैं. And sir, good morning, hi, my name is so and so, I'm coming from this organization. Yeah, I know all of that. ये क्यों बोला तूने 3 line? It makes no sense. So utilize that. So I was assisting one of my clients. I used to do field visits for them. I would act like I'm their manager, और मैं उसके agent के साथ जाता था. These guys were into high value edtech services. So we did a field audit for them, where we went along with their managers and sales execs. We sat with them, and I would act as if I've just joined the organization, and I'm just here on the job training, OJT. So मेरे से बात मत कर. In short. So the client would think, अरे ये तो नया इससे बात इसको कुछ नहीं मालूम. So I would just sit, whereas my product training was completely done, and we did exactly this. वो बंदा आके, like when I created the report, वो 7-7, 8-8 लाइन ऐसे चीजें बोल रहा है जो 7 बार पहले बोल चुका है. Like वो पहचानता है उसको, उसका घर का एड्रेस मालूम है उसको, और वो सेम चीज आके हर बार रिपीट करता है. And you can see that, and we are doing this in front of deans, really high designation, head of departments. वो सेम चीज आके बोल रहा है. It's like मेरे को मालूम है वो कंपनी से है ना. I know the next line, and that's how you are boring the client. Come to the point. Makes sense. What's in it for me? How will it change my students' lives? And when we did the audit, we saw this is a trend. Everyone is doing the same thing. All right. So because we couldn't make an impact, वो यहाँ तक पहुँचता ही नहीं है. Because असली मसाला तो यहाँ पर है. अगर ये बराबर नहीं चल रहा है, this particular stick figure won't climb. यहाँ तक पहुँचेगा ही नहीं वो. All right. So got the importance of the opening line? Yes. Brilliant. Now comes the midsection of your pitch. Okay. Now you might ask, what if I start with the midsection directly? सामने वाला confused हो जाएगा कि क्या what? How did you reach here? You did not condition them to enter that mindset. You did not condition them to enter that story. The opening line actually sets the direction of the story. All right. So It is important that you have a strong opening line, and then comes these four aspects. Value proposition, इसमें क्या है, क्या value लेके आ रहे हो. You can actually tell about the benefits, the value that you bring to the table, the benefits. You can tell a story. How many of you tell a story in your pitch? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What kind of stories and how long are the stories? So,
So, Jai Jinend everyone. So sometimes I used to say that there was a time when we used to, take oils from IOCL, Indian Oils, and now it's a time that we have started giving oils to IOCL. So we're the manufacturers now. So it's one of the story.
one of the stories.
Yeah.
So, but one thing that I would want to add to this story is we used to supply oil to IOCL, and now we supply to. So now this is a before and after, but बीच में क्या हुआ मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. So for me to believe, we are going to deroute, we're going to go in a different direction. Whenever you tell a business story, there has to be a clear status quo as to how it started. फिर क्या गड़बड़ हुआ, वो गड़बड़ solve कैसे किया, और solve होने के बाद life कैसे दिख रहा है. अगर ये 4 aspects नहीं है, your story is incomplete. Story का impact आएगा ही नहीं. And by the way, आधा घंटा spend नहीं करना है. 4 line. मेरे को सिर्फ ये 4 चीज बताओ. 4 line takes less than 30 seconds. Story का मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको सुला दो. कोई सो रहा है क्या इधर? दिख रहा है मुझे, by the way, in case if you are. कौन बोला इतना चावल खाने को? All right, so got it till here? Also, when you're actually telling a story, don't act as if you're telling a story. Let it be a conversation. अरे तेरे को मालूम है क्या हो गया? Of course, ये बोलेगा नहीं कि client बोले तेरे को कैसे बोला है? You will not do that, but you have to make sense. Status quo, everyone? Okay? Then कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ. वो गड़बड़ का कॉन्सिक्वेंस क्या था और उसको हमने सॉल्व कैसे किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ यू स्टार्टेड we used to supply only to these guys and we realized we have more opportunities to resolve, so we reached out to more clients and now we supply to everybody else. Better story, better version of it. Now you can tell that story in the mid section of your pitch. Okay, so value proposition, benefits, tell a story, then demonstration. Whenever you demonstrate a product through video or to actual demonstration, उसको disturb मत करो. Now let's talk a little about demonstration. If your pitch has aspects of demonstration in it, let the customer watch it without interruption. In the sense, if it's a video, play करके छोड़ दो, laptop हाथ मत लगाओ, उसको देखने दो. All right? And I have seen people grabbing the laptop slowly. जैसा time खत्म हो रहा है ना, ले ही ले तू laptop, लेके जा, दे ही मत मेरे को. Take your time, let the person see. If it's a product which they can actually witness, let them use it. Demonstration that helps them absorb, creates better memory. All right. You'll have to help me with time. Time left. I'll pace it accordingly. All right. Good till here. All right. So demonstration time, don't disturb. Now testimonials. How many of you record testimonials regularly? Raise your hand. That's less than 50%. Concerning. I'm not happy with that number. Testimonials. खाली लिखित में नहीं चल रहा है. कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा है. Takes a phone. Everyone has a camera. Yes. उसको बोला, sir, how did you find the service? Like my team as well. After some time, they're like, how was the session? कैसे लगा? Takes 30 seconds. We have cracked deals worth lakhs simply because I got the right person to give me the feedback. He was the ultra papa of the company. 30 seconds is like, अरे हमने देखा आपने उनके साथ काम किया. So yeah, of course. It's like, हाँ वो बात कर रहे थे, उनका वीडियो भी देखा हमने. So why don't you work with us as well? वो पूछा भी नहीं कितने का है क्या है. Because he has worked with the brand, with the other brand, and because they're like, they would have gone through a very stringent process of evaluation, we can definitely trust them. Start documenting testimonials, all right? लिखित में नहीं चल रहा है, वो डेकोरेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डाल सकते हो, रिव्यू डलवाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लिंक्डइन पे लिखवाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट वीडियो नहीं है तो कोई देख रहा नहीं है. I'll give you an idea that we have implemented in our business. So if you go on one of my pages, we have 2 businesses. One is into hardcore sales, which is the session today, and the other is into employee engagement. हमने एक ऐसा सेक्शन बनाया है जहाँ पर 3 वीडियोस है, लेकिन हर वीडियो में हर 5 सेकंड के बाद ना इंसान चेंज हो जा रहा है. तो बेसिकली 15 लोगों का फीडबैक है मेरे 3 वीडियो में. समझ में आ रहा है? सो एंड सब हाई डेजिग्नेशन के लोग. सो जो की इंडिविजुअल है उनका फीडबैक बहुत जरूरी है. और वो कितना खूबसूरत कपड़ा पहना है, आज उसने इस्त्री किया कि नहीं, लाइट डजंट मैटर. आई वॉन्ट देम टू से समथिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. ऑलराइट, गॉट इट टिल हियर? Testimonials very important, and then the roadmap. This is where we lack majority of the times. The roadmap in the sense यहाँ से वहाँ तक वो process कैसे जाएगा. As I mentioned earlier, the process. This is the opportunity for, because you built some interest. अब वो अभी रोड मैप दिखाओ कि आपने अमोद को हेल्प कर दिया, अब मुझे कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हो. Alright? So that's how you would want to do it. So everything happens here. Got it till here? Roadmap not clear. So A to B, the entire process. So what happens generally is, ये मेरा product है, अच्छा लगा, खरीदो, great, मैं invoice भेज रहा हूँ. But as soon as hand over, sir, एक minute, before you start using it, this is what you need to know. गड़बड़ हुआ तो इसको फोन करने का, हेल्प चाहिए तो इसको फोन करने का, नहीं चल रहा है तो इसको फोन करने का, कुछ भी हुआ, आई एम देयर. So after I start utilizing your services or product, who's gonna be my Spock and who will solve problems for me has to be very clear, and all aspects of the service has to be covered. Product वाले returns का बात करते हैं, warranties का बात करते हैं, service वाले सबसे बड़ा. How many of you are into service industry, some kind of service? 90%. Please don't let the customer go. एक बार उसने साइन कर दिया, वो दिक्कत नहीं बोल रहा है सामने से, महीने में एक बार फोन करके पूछो सब सही है ना, तो सब बोल रहा है ना मेरे को, because वो चुपचाप चला जाएगा. Silent quitting. A lot of them aren't even telling you that they have a problem. और उस चक्कर में क्या होता है? Does anyone want to guess what happens now after this? Yes, second. Repeat sales नहीं होगा. Third. Sorry. Never come back. Entertain calls. Bad mouthing, negative feedback, bad mouthing. हाँ. और एक और चीज है जो कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, मेरा मार्केटिंग का खर्चा बढ़ जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? अरे मैं प्रॉफिट कैसे बचाऊं? जब ये भाग जा रहे हैं, इसको लाने के लिए खर्चा भी तो किया था, अब ये भाग गया, ये आने तो वाला खैर है नहीं, ये बंद हो गया. मेरा मार्केटिंग का कॉस्ट बढ़ रहा है, तो मेरा प्रॉफिट से कट रहा है ना, तो अब मैं कहां से दूं अप्रेजल मेरे बंदों को? बस ये एक सिंपल सा चीज, ये रोड मैप इज गोना सेव यू अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. ऑलराइट? एंड देन एनी थॉट्स और क्वेश्चंस? एंड यस, हाँ, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, Q&A टाइम करते हैं. ओके, आई विल कम बैक टू यू. ओके, देन फाइनली द पिच क्लोजिंग. अभी यहां पे सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, यहां पर चालू हुआ अच्छे से, बट यहां पर भी इंटरेस्टिंग, यहां पे देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज CTA. CTA का फुल फॉर्म पता है? कॉल टू एक्शन. अ क्लियर कॉल टू एक्शन. तू चाहता क्या है मेरे से? इसका जवाब अगर आप क्लियरली नहीं दे रहे हो, इट वुड बी ग्रेट इफ वी कैन एसोसिएट, एंड इफ वी कैन स्टार्ट दिस क्वार्टर, इट वुड बी फिनोमिनल. व्हाट्स योर थॉट? मेरा कॉल टू एक्शन अगर एक्चुअली एक्शन पे लीड नहीं कर रहा है, एक्शन इन द सेंस खरीद मेरे से इनडायरेक्टली, देन द CTA इज यूजलेस. सो माय पिच हैज टू स्टार्ट हियर वेरी वेल, then this, and then question. The CTA has to be clear. Okay, it can be a question-based CTA. We'll look forward to associating with you. We look forward to actually broadening our service portfolio with you. It can be a lot. It depends on your business. And then finally, less word equals more impact. मतलब last में जैसा यहाँ पर 5 words, maximum 7 word, close भी 5 या 7 word. फिर then comes their turn to speak. ये सारा चीज you can finish it in maximum 90 seconds. Up to 3 business lines you can actually utilize 90 seconds, and up to 3 business lines can be communicated. ठीक है? Okay. Now we're going to do a quick experiment. Now, the way you started in the beginning, you pitched to each other. I give you 30 seconds to actually reframe your pitch in the same way. Socho. I'm going to count 30. तब तक सोचो. I want you to start exactly like this, and then we're going to do the same exercise, and then we'll see how it feels. Okay, everyone, take 30 seconds and create this own pitch in your head. Take your time. 30 seconds. All right, ready? Kind of ready? Almost ready. Okay, take your time. 30 seconds. It's okay. All right, set. Everyone get up. Okay, let's all stand. Same partner. Same partner. How will you solve the problem, and then a good closing? Try it, okay? It's okay if you're not perfect. Are you all ready? Yes. So people on this side, your time starts now. switch. Next person.
దీంట్లో ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారా ఒక్కరే ఒక్కరే ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్ దీంట్లో కావాలా? దీంట్లోనా దాంట్లోనా? దీంట్లో అయితే అవసరం లేదు కదా ఎవరు లేరు
Alright, stop. एकदम गहन discussions. Okay. ये एक वोट और नंबर ले रहा है. Okay. All right. Question. Did it feel a little better? Slightly better. Okay, everyone. पीछे. अरे ये तुम लोग कर क्या रहे हो? Guys, हो गया. Time for it. Sorry, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. तुम लोग 6 लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं एक साथ? Better?
Yes.
Okay. Now, was there a little more clarity?
Yes.
अब थोड़ा समय बच रहा है बात करने के लिए बिजनेस का. Alright, so first of all, let's have a round of applause for yourself. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, खुद के लिए. Alright. Please be seated. Welcome. Alright. Remember this and just pitch it to someone. And ये कम से कम 2 बार करना कल. And खाली 2 ही बार next दिन. Entrepreneurs weekend पे भी pitch कर रहे हैं. I can guarantee you सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे आप. आपको इसको याद रखना है and let that be your muscle memory, especially if you go for networking meetings जहां पर speed networking चल रहा है. 60 सेकंड में पिच नहीं खत्म हो रहा है, पिच रेडी नहीं है. शार्क टैंक देखा है? लोग वहां पर भी मेस कर रहे हैं. वो तैयारी करके ही नहीं आए हैं और वो स्क्रीन पे है. 6 कैमरास ऑन द पर्सन. सामने वालों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वो सवाल पूछ रहा है. सवाल पूछा कैसे उसने? चलो स्क्रिप्टेड भी हो सकता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बट पिच ही सही नहीं है तो सवाल पूछेगा ही ना. इन्वेस्टर है. So remember to implement that. All right. So one last thing I want to talk about, because we have an aspect of negotiation here as well. Now, unfortunately, the way we look at negotiation is bargaining. Bargaining के आगे हम लोग सोच ही नहीं रहे हैं. Yes, बहुत सारे markets price sensitive है, price का ही चलता है. लेकिन price के ऊपर relationship होता है. जब सब कुछ same है ना, if it is perfectly identical, product भी same है, quality same है, भाव भी same है, वो जिसको prefer करता है उसको ही धंधा देता है. Do you agree? But the way you will build that relationship is by negotiating beyond just numbers. We spoke about process, the way you would discuss about the process. People only focus on the outcome. Kitne ka hoga, kitna hoga. Negotiation is not bargaining. Negotiation is the ability to see the picture with your client and solve their problem together as a temporary partner. Okay? That's how you should look at negotiation. But I want to highlight one thing. Can you guess what is the most ignored part of a negotiation? After sales. Other person can be right also. What is the most ignored part of a negotiation? Anyone? Not identifying the pain point, sir? Repeat business. Sir, what do you think? 1. अभी जवाब देना पड़ेगा. हाँ? Negotiation. Okay. The most important part that people generally miss out is this, guys. तैयारी किए बिना आप लोग पहुंचे कैसे उस रूम के अंदर? मतलब अब तू बॉल डाल, उसके बाद मैं डिसाइड करूंगा अरे बैट लाने का था. Oh, suddenly it's a boxing match. I never knew. We are, as entrepreneurs, as salespeople, we are entering into meetings. Without this, how can we do that to ourselves? How can we do that to ourselves? Because you are entering a game that you don't know the rules of. That's the reason you get stressed कि ये बस objection handling में घुस ना जाऊं कहीं से. वो पूछेगा क्योंकि उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. All right. So how does preparation look like? Typical preparation. इसमें मेरे लिए क्या है? इसमें मेरा भला क्या होगा? मेरे पास क्या है बेचने को? मेरे से खरीदो. Typical preparation. All right. But actual preparation होना चाहिए ये. इसका फोटो लो मेरे साथ. Okay, just kidding. Okay, everyone. अरे तो लो photo. I want to see. New way of making notes. I'll also take your photo. The way my people are making notes. Okay, everyone sit. मेरे को complete करना है ये. Okay. In simple words, उसका interest क्या है? इसमें उसका क्या मतलब है? Then मेरे को दिख ही नहीं रहा है. अच्छा, उसको चाहिए क्या? What's going to happen at the end of the deal? What do they want? What is it that he cannot give? What is it that I can add value with? If you don't have answers of all these questions, especially alternatives, अगर ये नहीं तो क्या, ये नहीं तो क्या, ये नहीं तो क्या, मैं दरवाजे से बाहर चल के कब जाऊंगा? अगर ये सारे alternatives आप on the go सोच रहे हो, आपको मीटिंग में नहीं आना चाहिए था. Yes, I'll be honest with you. आपको उस मीटिंग में घुसना ही नहीं चाहिए था. If your alternatives from a financial standpoint, from a service standpoint, from a packaging standpoint of deals was not ready, you shouldn't have got into that meeting. You wasted your own time, created demotivation for yourself and wasted their time. अब कब वो next meeting देगा भगवान को पता. और वो शायद दे, meeting ना दे, मुझे नहीं पता. अपना समय उसका समय बर्बाद करके आ गए. By the way, if this is good, it forms a good base for you to negotiate good deals because now they are interested. And believe me, interesting people are interested. Interesting people are interested. Why do people call some of them? ये बहुत मस्त बंदा है, इसका बिजनेस करने को अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इसको मेरा ख्याल है कि क्या चल रहा है सर, आपको क्या चाहिए, what's happening in your business. We are good with that. So if before you start any negotiation, if you're not good with this, don't get into a meeting. It takes only about 6 minutes to prepare a deal with the answers of all these questions. All right, so we're going to pause it here. Let's have a round of applause for each one of you. Brilliant. Now we're going to spend about 15 minutes in Q&A. ठीक है? Okay, so anyone, let's have a mic in the crowd as well, please. And I just wanted to, बाकी सब we can skip. नहीं, switch मत करो उसको. Presentation लगाओ, switch मत करो. Q&A. All right. Anyone in the audience? Sir, yes. We'll start. Aisa, आपके बाद. Yes. You have to be respectful and friendly. And if the designation is CEO and above, if the age range is 45 or 50 above, then you'll have to add an element of respect as well. For example, people who are generally 45, 48, 50 above, they prefer to be called as sir. Whereas people who are under 45, 48, 40, 45, that range, they're okay with the first name also. So depending on the business that you are in and the typical conversation that's there, change your pitch accordingly. But be formal, be respectful, and be friendly as well, so that it's fun. Keep the pitch crisp, keep the remaining time for conversations. Pitch is like, ये देख ये खरीद मेरे से, and then the remaining conversation is खरीदना कैसे, उसके बाद क्या होगा. Okay. 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 That's okay to be on call, that's fine. Conversions आ रहे कि नहीं, वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. आ रहे हैं. कॉन्वर्जेशन को क्रिस्प रखिए, सामने वाले का थोड़ा स्टडी कीजिए उसको कॉल करने के पहले, एंड लैंग्वेज उसके हिसाब से मॉडिफाई कीजिए. मेरा एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको. वी पिच टू एन एआई कंपनी रिसेंटली. ही इज एग्जैक्टली माई एज एंड आई वाज लाइक, कैसा है ब्रो, हाउ आर यू? ही इज ओके विद दैट. कॉल्ड वन ऑफ द जीएम्स इन एसबीआई, नमस्ते, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? चेंज्ड सेम डे, 1 घंटे का डिफरेंस. And then when you're calling, you're nice, happy that we are in this conversation. All right, next question. Thank you. Tarun, aage aa jao, because so that you can focus on people. All right, anyone next? Yes, sir.
Telling about different benefits if you want to pitch in.
Okay.
So if we have multiple benefits to pitch in,
Okay.
how would my opening pitch change? I mean, because your initial pitch is just a one-liner or let's say some crisp thing.
Yeah.
But if I want to address his multiple benefits which my product is going to solve it, can that be clubbed into a single?
So what you can do, this is a great question. How do I embed benefits into my pitch? Is that the question, if I'm not wrong?
To give a broader view of what my benefits would look like.
I would suggest in your transformation story, not there, in your transformation story, let the benefits be seen. जैसे मैंने अमोद का स्टोरी बताया, उसका बेनिफिट बताया कि वो लड़के ने 30 लाख उठाया. Now I have shown a transformation in that story based on the same framework that you guys learned right now. So when you are telling them a story, I would highly recommend in your story embed those benefits. And this is what happened after we associated. Yes, so you can utilize that as a transformation because I want to see कि क्या हुआ. I want that curiosity, the why to happen in my head, and उसके बाद move into your story. Always एक छोटा story ready रखो. एक बिजनेस स्टोरी, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टोरी, अगर 4-5 मिनी स्टोरीज, टाइनी स्टोरीज नहीं है तो थोड़ा बनाओ। है, बिजनेस में है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, आपका बिजनेस चल रहा है क्योंकि आपने हेल्प किया है लोगों को। टेक दिस टाइनी स्टोरीज एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू elaborate ones, and then you can embed benefits also उसके अंदर। And also please remember, if you are pitching someone, benefits के साथ limitation भी बताना जरूरी है। If you get the opportunity, if the conversation goes in that direction, खैर ये तो ठीक है, I want to know more. If required, it's okay to talk about limitations as well, but in a positive fashion. अगर वो if need be, because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि लोग, हाँ सर ये तो हमको पता है, परचेस वाले से बात करोगे ना तो उनका एक इंटरेस्टिंग एंगल होता है। इफ यू टॉक टू अ परचेस गाय, लाइक 10% में दे, 10% में दे, उसका अलग ही दुनिया है, वो पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है। सो you'll have to move it, like maneuver it like that. Yeah, so embed your benefits in your story, that will be beneficial, you will save time as well. Next question please.
The rules apply for even a tangible and a non-tangible product. Because a tangible product, we can say that this is the product, this is a service. But when it's a non-tangible product, or it's, I'm also a licensing person, when we are going to provide a service, do you think this type of pitch, what do we sell it to him? Because it has to have honesty in it.
Yeah, you'll have to have documentation, sir, irrespective of the format of business that you are in. So for example, if you're cracking deals, a lot of brokers, right? How would you ask a broker to tell a success story? If they can document. So that's why testimonials play a crucial role. So you will have to have people who have availed services from you give some kind of proof of work that can be utilized as a form of service or in the form of documentation. Of course, you'll have to see if there is an NDA in place.
Yes,
if that's the case, then what you can also do is then you can have association of brands, the way I mentioned it, because a lot of brands that I work with, I can't tell you what I'm working with, like what's exactly happening in their systems, because we're solving really core business
We are
problems.
not supposed to give figures
Not
and facts
supposed
of
to.
other people.
But you can mention these are the brands that we're working with, and you can talk about an umbrella situation of the kinds of problem you are solving without going in depth, or else you'll end up having a legal
And
issue.
for licensing also, what would you suggest?
Documentation. I want documentation. I want to see, if not direct, at least indirect documentation, at least an overall umbrella, because I want to trust you. But how do I? Is the question that a customer, especially high value customers, कि ये पैसा लेके जा रहा है लेकिन इसके बाद, या फिर ये पैसा लेगा लेकिन कैसा करेगा, पता नहीं. That's how you would want to do it.
Thank you.
We have 7 more minutes. You have time? Perfect. So you can also capture the video with the question. Okay, plus, sorry.